I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. So I have this just blank piece of paper, but I colored on it. But first you're going to take it, you're going to turn it like this. You're going to fold it, just like this. And then after you fold it, you're going to go at the end. I don't! You're going to do this, and you're going to open it. One, two, you're going to take over here. You're going to go like this for it to look like a half triangle. And if you want yours to be equal, I would say take 2 fingers and do that. And you're going to, after you do that, it's going to look like this. I'm just trying to make mine go like this. But you know why I'm not saying like and subscribe, because I don't have that much people that's subscribing, because they're probably not clicking on our videos. And once it looks like that, you're going to go like this. And once it looks like this, you want to go right here. You want to bend just like that. And it'll look just like this. And you're going to take this one that's left, and then you're going to take it and then same amount, do it just like this, and it'll look just like this. Now, if you want to add like some extra things, I would say take the end of right here and fold it to like, because at school we use this and we just fold it just like this, and then when we throw it, the wind will hit this pool. But hold up, I'm gonna have to. Okay. And then it'll look just like this. So when you throw it, it'll glide just like that. Let's do a throwing test. How about I want to go to my stairs and do it. Okay, I think I'm ready. 3, 2, Mommy, come look at this hat. Okay. Just like that. Look at this. Hold up. Just like that. I'm gonna whoop y'all. Okay. Once you have it like that. Okay. I'm going to throw it again. Ooh. Whoa. Mommy, come here. That was close. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that follow button. Let's go to 1 million subscribers. So I'm so sorry for all that noise, but make sure that you subscribe, like, and hit that follow button. Let's go on the road to 1 million subscribers. Just help me out.